Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that what looks like Lexus First Aid Kit, and we can find this kit in our Lexus car's trunk area, and I believe that most of these Lexus includes this package, and this comes from Lexus LS series car. And let's go to look inside when you go to your Lexus car's trunk area, that what this kit includes. And there is this opening possibility, and there we can see these things, and let's go to look that what items we can see in there. Okay, and then when we look to search that what kind of emergency things we have to be in our cars or trucks first aid kit and why. Okay, let's open this package, and firstly there is good to be this quick guide, because if we have situation that we are in stress and there has been accident, that it is good to check that what kind of things we need to do in USA. First we need to of course call to 911 and then tell these things, and we can look in here this access. Don't panic. And there's easy way to see that what we have to do, and there is the most important thing, 911. Okay, and then let's go to look first steps. There is like what we have to do. There is keep calm, and we can look these things when we are in this accident place, because in accident place our this head, it is not working so well, and that's we have to look at what kind of like bleeding situation. This is most common. We can, or eye injury or burns if there has been fire, and there is heat cold injury, and we can see in here all of these instructions. It is good that in your kit there is this guide that what to do when we have this really bad situation. If we are in this real accident, because in home when we are watching TV, it is totally different when we are in a crash site in highways. And that check that you have this first aid kit, and then of course there is this good content. You can see that what you should have. This my kit is quite okay. There are those items, and then normally what I can do, there is this first aid, this plastic. This is like small, those when we look these bleeding things, this is for small, and let's look at how big are these. These are actually bandage, quite big. This is actually that size. Okay, in that kind of bandage I can really cover big this damage. Look, it starts in here and ends in here. Okay, this is a little bit bigger than normal size, and then of course scissors is must, because we can open seat belt, and we can also cut these, especially this tape, first aid kit tape. This is when we have this thing what we need to open. It is like in that my case. This is interesting because this is difficult to open, or this is good, and that's I need to train. There is my screwdriver that I can open this package. Interesting, this is so stuck. Okay, it is good that open. And who is this maker? White Rose, made in USA. Okay, interesting that this is, or should I open this wrongly? This is steel very difficult to open. I have to replace this package because this is an emergency situation, too complex to open. Now because I need these tools. Really difficult to open. But I have now these tools. Okay, now it moves. Okay, it goes like up. Interesting. Maybe I was the error. And there is this tape. This works. And for that tape cutting, I need these scissors because I need to cut and install this tape if I have bandage what moves. That's check that you have tape, and also check that this tape opens better than my one. And then we go forward. But another there is smaller bandage, and then these cleaning towels. And there we have those bigger pads and this bandage. If I have like big cut, I can install that one. Especially it is inside in here that I have to open this my package in that way. All of these are sterile, and there is then this my package, this pad what I can install like in here, and then using this tape. Good. And then there is second, and then this Sting Medicaid pad. We can also test that one. And using these big pads, we can cover this bloody hurt. And then there is this bandage. This is like material what we can use when we have this cover in here, and then I can open this package, and there is this sterile, this cotton. And then next one is anti-set burn cream. We can install this cream if we have like fire accident in here. This is like cream what is like anti this medicine. This is like burn things. And there is second this roll, and then there is non-adherent pad, and we use that if also in burns and scratch. We can test all of these, and this is White Cross product. And final one is bandage, what we can also install if there is big hole in our body. Okay, good. And that was my information, my friend, that what this package look like, and check that you have similar or better thing, because in using these all things you can save someone's life or your life. Okay, and by the way, this bandage is good. It is still in there, and good quality bandage. And this tape also. This was white tape. Okay, and thumbs up, my friend, and see you in next movie.